praying for the word is unbiblical because over and over again the scripture tells us that this word is Satan's kingdom, which normalize every kind of wickedness. Even Jesus Christ himself did not pray for the word as stated in John 17:9. What he prays for continuously are those people that God has given him, for they were chosen as we are before the foundation of the world. So instead of praying for worldly matters, pray for those people whom God has given to you personally, that they may be accounted worthy to escape all these things that are going to take place and to stand before the Son of Man before it's too late.